Well, this tour we've done today is a real mixture of experiences for people who maybe don't have that luxury of time to travel around Scotland. So what we try and incorporate is an example of one of our great castles, Stirling Castle, one of our distilleries, and Loch Lomond.
We went to the distillery, which was really so interesting, just the whole process of making the whiskey.
Our Highland Experience Tours has been wonderful. The Stirling Castle was very pretty, and there was a lot of historical information that I was unaware of.
And saw some beautiful scenery on the way. Lovely stops, just long enough to get out, take some photographs.
Yeah. The lakes and the scenery have just been gorgeous. So I would highly recommend it.